क्या आपको पता है कि अर्थक्वेक की वजह से कोई भी एक रिवर का चैनल चेंज हो सकता है? Recently, there was one study by Elizabeth Chamberlain, who is a geochronologist from Netherlands, and her team. They have studied the Ganga River channel in Bangladesh, and they have concluded that there has been change in the river channel due to a large earthquake of 7 to 8 magnitude around 2500 years ago. यानी कि इतने बड़े अर्थक्वेक की वजह से गंगा रिवर का कोर्स चेंज हुआ है. Can you imagine this? Yes, what they did in this, they studied two important landforms in that area. One, the paleo channel. Paleo channel मतलब क्या होता है? There is, let's say, a formation of the ancient channel. Paleo मतलब क्या होता है? Ancient. That channel was studied. This channel is made up of sand and mud, and it is well preserved in that area. And the scientists use a particular technique that is called as optically stimulated luminescence dating technique. Through this, they have found the particular time period of the sediments, and at the same time they have also studied the two dikes, the sand dikes found in the nearby region, and they concluded that the timing of earthquake, formation of this paleo channel and the formation of these two sand dikes was coinciding at the particular same time period. इसका मतलब ये है कि जो रिवर कोर्स चेंज हुआ है वो एक अर्थक्वेक की वजह से हुआ है. नाउ दिस स्टडी इज वेरी सिग्निफिकेंट. क्यों? क्योंकि इतने बड़ी रिवर का अगर चैनल चेंज होता है तो कैन यू इमेजिन द डिवास्टेटिंग इफेक्ट दैट this can have on the people living in that area. We know that the delta regions of large rivers like Ganga, Brahmaputra or even Mekong River, बहुत ज़्यादा population वहाँ पर रहता है. Density of population is very high, and it can result into large scale flooding of this region and loss of life and property. And this study warns the decision makers and people to take certain measures to avoid such kind of extreme events in future. Now, the geography aspect for our examination, the factors that can result into the changes in the river courses. Earthquake is, now we have understood, one of the factor, but बाकी के factors क्या क्या है? The major factor is the tectonic shift that we learn in our NCERT also. For example, the evolution of the drainage system of North Indian plains or Himalayan rivers. तो हम वहाँ पर पढ़ते हैं कि there has been Indo-Shivalik large river, Indo-Brahmaputra or Shivalik river that was flowing from the present day Arunachal Pradesh to the Sindh region of Pakistan. But this river's course changed over the period of time due to Indian plate subducting under the Eurasian plate. So two important events. One, the rise of Potwar Plateau, that is Delhi Ridge, that divided the channel of Indus and its tributaries and Ganga and Brahmaputra. Later on, there was Malda Fault creation that led to Ganga and Brahmaputra draining into Bay of Bengal through that Malda Fault and present day Bangladesh, forming the large delta, Sundarban Delta. ठीक है, तो ये उसका एक एग्जाम्पल है. Then other reasons we can talk about or other factors is the amount of water that is flowing through the rivers. अगर पानी का amount अगर बढ़ता है, that we call it as river regime, तो उससे क्या होता है, उसका erosion power बढ़ जाता है. And when we talk about the erosion power, the lateral erosion increases, and because of that also what happens is there is formation of oxbow lakes and the river cuts excessively laterally, and because of that also it changes the river course. Further, the increase in amount of, let's say, water also result into shifting of courses. The best example is Kosi River, which is considered as the sorrow of Bihar. ठीक है. Further, the other reasons that we can talk about is the landslide. Yes, the landslides in the upper courses of river can also result into changes in the river courses. In addition to that, we can also talk about is the excessive erosion and the deposition. The excessive deposition in the डेल्टा रीजन ऑफ द रिवर कैन रिजल्ट इन टू एवल्शन ऑफ द रिवर, यानी कि जो डिपोजिशंस होते हैं वो रिवर कोर्स को ऑब्स्ट्रक्ट कर देते हैं, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट देर इज डाइवर्जन ऑफ रिवर कोर्स. In addition to these natural factors, human-made factors are also responsible for changes in the river course. यानी कि ह्यूमन अपने नीड के हिसाब से रिवर कोर्स को चेंज करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल डैमिंग द रिवर, ठीक है, तो घग्गर रिवर अगर आप एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं, या फिर फराक्का बैरेज इज़ द बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल ऑन गंगा रिवर. और फराक्का बैरेज से जो मेन कोर्स है गंगा रिवर का वो डाइवर्ट करके हमने हुगली रिवर जो कोलकाता से बे ऑफ बंगाल में एंटर करती है, और बाकी की गंगा रिवर जो है बांग्लादेश में जाती है, राइट. सो दीज आर सम ऑफ द फैक्टर्स विच अफेक्ट द change, or we can say that changes the river courses. So yes, if you want to ask any question, you can ask in the comment box. We will address your query. Thank you.